For generations, German cars were proof that Europe could still build the world's best machines. BMW was peak engineering, Mercedes was a status symbol, and Volkswagen meant industrial scale. But that's all been undone, and Germany's auto industry is crumbling. BMW just blindsided investors with a nasty profit warning, and the company once considered Germany's safest automaker is looking dangerously exposed. Meanwhile, Volkswagen is cutting jobs, moving production, and shrinking German factories. The industry Germany once showed off is becoming a national embarrassment. We're no longer talking about some lost market share. The German car industry, as we know it, is coming apart. So in this video, we're going to look at how bad it really is, why it's happening, and how this is just one example of the massive challenges facing Europe's biggest economy. Now let's start with the latest warning sign. BMW just announced that it expects its automotive division to produce an operating margin of only 1 to 3% in 2026. Doesn't sound terrible until you see that this is down from its previous 4 to 6% forecast. Group profit before tax is going to take a big hit. So for every 100 euros of automotive revenue, BMW expects only 1 to 3 euros of operating profit before interest and tax. This is a premium manufacturer selling expensive cars, but its core business is getting so weak that one more shock becomes existential. And the speed of this reversal says a lot. In early May, BMW reported a 5% first quarter margin and reaffirmed its full-year target. Roughly 6 weeks later, that target was slashed. And management didn't exactly prepare investors for this decline with much grace, because BMW shares then fell around 7%, reaching their lowest level since late 2020. Mercedes and Volkswagen were dragged lower as well. Investors clearly didn't see just one company having a bad day. This was interpreted as one of Germany's strongest industrial names sounding the alarm. BMW was supposed to be the steady one. It avoided some of the Volkswagen software chaos, maintained stronger margins than many mass-market rivals, and built a reputation for disciplined management. So, if the dependable member of the group is showing weakness, nobody looks safe. BMW blamed a sharper downturn in China, especially for non-electric cars, alongside higher energy costs and weaker consumer confidence linked to the Middle East conflict. But that conflict is an accelerant, not the true source of the issue. The weakness was already there, but we'll dive deeper into that in just a bit. Now, the response to this latest news is quickly getting ugly. BMW says it will intensify cost reductions and book restructuring charges later in 2026. There's even talk of a possible capacity cut and more localization outside Germany. In other words, the solution may involve making the German footprint smaller. But the biggest struggle is happening over at Volkswagen. Europe's largest automaker has gone well beyond a profit warning. It once planned a global capacity of around 12 million vehicles. Management is now working toward roughly 9 million, meaning 3 million vehicles have effectively disappeared from the company's industrial ambitions. But companies don't erase that much potential output because they expect one weak quarter. Volkswagen is clearly planning for a smaller future.